Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In today's video we will create this 3D animation in After Effects. So let's get started. So I have collected all the data. This is the grid. I downloaded it from Canva, or you can find it free pick, or just search grid. You can find a lot of like these on Chrome. And this is the Meta logo. I downloaded this, and this is the 3D logo for the edit. So just drag and drop this and make font size. So this is the logo. Many people ask me where we can get the 3D assets for free, because most of the time it's paid. So this is the website Sketchweb. Here you can find a lot of 3D free assets. Some of them are paid, but most of them are free, so you can download this. So this is the same website I'm downloading. Look, this is the 3D assets. So first let's add our grid, and before that let's make a black solid and go to the new and make a solid. Make sure it's pure black. It doesn't matter if it's the color, because you're gonna put gradient on upon it, gradient ramp. And make sure the white color is kind of dark green, something like this. Make it radial ramp. Swap the colors. Make sure the green is in the middle, somewhere around in the middle, and drag this to the right, something here. And as you can see, there are circles because of the color. So just ramp scatter, make do something here, and yeah, it's gone somewhere. Let's the green color little more dark somewhere here. Okay, it's looking good. And for the grids, so let's put the grid somewhere here. Make a mask. So left click and hold on this and choose ellipse tool, and I will create mask somewhere around here, something like this. Okay, now go upon the mask and increase the pixels, something like this. Hit on T, make it around 50, or it's still too much, so make it around 25, or maybe 30. 30 will looks good. Okay, it's looking good. Now make the grid 3D. Hit P. Make sure to send it way back, somewhere around there, something like this. I will tell you why. Not too much, to be honest. Not too much. Wait, not too much. Something around here, and increase the scale. Now let's add our text. I made. Okay, I'm choosing Helvetica bold version, or maybe black version. Too bold. Yeah, this will work. And you can choose any font. I'm choosing this, or maybe bold will look good. We don't want that much attention on this text. Now make another text, dollar, then 1,000, and choose the cursive type font for this one. Let's see. I will choose this Bonnier Royal. I don't know how to pronounce it. Scale it up and choose a light green color for this one. Somewhere here, green plus blue. Okay, it's looking good. Pump it up, pump the scale a little bit more, and now arrange the text properly. Somewhere here, let's see. No, let's put it here, I guess. Here looks good. Okay, this is looking good. Now let's add our coin. Make sure to make font size, because sometimes some 3D elements are too big, like too big. So now make the anchor in between. Let's play with the positions and other things somewhere here. Somewhere here. Control D, and for this one I will do something like this. Okay, as you can see, the test is not 3D, so make both of them 3D. Okay, somewhere like this, something like this. Okay, this will work. This coin will go back behind the text, something like this. Okay, let's choose this side for this one because it's 3D. Both of side have a little bit. Both of side will have texture. Let's decrease the size. Something like okay. Select both of them. Hit R. Make a keyframe. Drag this keyframe here and hit U to just open the keyframe we just put. Make another keyframe on both of them and just do random animation. Something something like this. Just a random animation because we just wanna give a little more animation when we animate both of these. F9 to ease them. Make a graph in the left. Something like this. Let's see. Okay, this will work. Now add a camera, one node camera, and I will choose 35 mm. And now let's add another object, make it 3D, parent the camera, hit P, make a keyframe here, drag this somewhere here. Let's see where we put the keyframe for the points. So we will put somewhere here. Zoom out a little bit, something here, not too much, somewhere here. F9 as usual, make a keyframe in the left. Let's animate the text now. So I have some pre-made slide animations and I will do it. Just drag and drop. I will give you these animations soon. Just waiting for some things. I will give you all these animation for free. Just stick with me. Somewhere here. So let's see how it's looking. Oh, this is looking so cool, bro. Yo, this is looking so smooth. Now let's add a new null. Make it 3D. Parent first null to it. Now make a keyframe on R somewhere here. We will rotate by Y rotation. So make a keyframe here. Make another keyframe somewhere here, and I think 180 will looks good. Okay, 180. As you can see, the grid is visible when we are doing with the rotation. So go back somewhere here, just here. Send the grid in the back somewhere here. Little some around 2700. Scale it up. And now if you see, you can't see the grid because it's way in the back. Okay, somewhere here. Now let's add a position keyframe. Hit P, hit U, so to see the all the animations. Make a keyframe here for the positions. Go to the second keyframe position and make it zoom in. Zoom in around somewhere here. So let's select all of them, F9, and make a keyframe like peak in the left. Okay, somewhere here. Now let's see. Now we have to arrange the keyframe so where it looks more good. Let's see. Oh no, it's looking bad. Maybe somewhere here. Let's see. Or maybe change the keyframe for the positions. Let's make a stiff peak on the left. Something is maybe this will work. Let's see. This is the editing. You have to play around. This is the real game of editing. Okay, this is too low now. So when the animation is somewhere like this, let's make a keyframe on both animation. Select both of them, both of the text, hit T, make opacity keyframe, and go some frame here and make it 0. Select all of them, hit F9 and put it somewhere around here. So let's see. Yeah, this is cool. We want it somewhere here. When the animation is, yeah, this is look cool. Now let's see. Let's do something here. Okay, this is looking good. This is looking way better. Now let's add Meta logo, make it 3D. So let's make it little bit something here. Okay, this is looking good. So now let's make a circle around this. Hold shift to make a proper circle and make the transparent fill and make white around this and make it around 15 maybe. Let's see. 10 looks good. Okay, make sure make the anchor in between, align it somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here will look good. Let's see. Okay, this is looking good. Because of the logo size, the way it shapes, it's very uneven. So let's make it little more small and put it somewhere here. So it's look like it's in the middle, although it's not, but it's look like it's in the middle. Now let's add a trim path. Make an animation on the circle. Click here, click on add and add trim paths. Open the trim path properties. Make a keyframe on end. Go somewhere around here and make another keyframe. Let it be 100 and come somewhere here. Put the first keyframe here and make it 0. Select both of them, F9, tweezes them and make a peak in the middle. Something like this will work. Let's see. Okay, this is looking good. Let's see the animation. So because of the Meta logo is blue, so we have to change the background color too, from the green to blue. So click on the black solid and see where we have to put the grid somewhere here. We should start the changing color format. So for the start color where we choose the green, make a keyframe here. Click U to see the keyframes. Go somewhere here and choose a blue color. Choose something like this, the dark version of blue. Something like this. Okay, this is looking good. F9 and make a middle peak. These are the little things that will make your edit looks way professional than other editors. So look, although it's pretty slow, so do it somewhere here. Yeah, this is looking very good. Okay, this is looking way good than I thought. So this was the tutorial. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe. I have a shit ton of tutorials planned out for you all. So make sure to subscribe and share the video with your fellow editors. And I will see you in the next video.